thank you so much, guys, for supporting me on my new TikTok and also on all my social media platforms. I know it's crazy. It's really crazy to say this, but I really appreciate you guys. So your likes, your views, it really means a lot to me. From the bottom of my heart, I just want to say, guys, thank you. Okay, so without you, I would not have done that. I know recently I just hit 8,000 subscribers on my YouTube channel. Okay, so but without you guys, I would not have done that. I would not have gone this so far. Okay, so I really appreciate you all, and I just want to say I'm gonna try my best to drop videos all the time. Okay, even not like every day, but at least all the time, guys. I just want to say I love you so much, guys, and yeah. So I'm just here, guys, to thank you. So your likes, your views, I really appreciate that a lot. On my TikTok, on my Facebook, on my YouTube channel. I just want to say, guys, thank you all, guys, for supporting me, and for those who haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, so please try to join the family. And for those people who are watching my let me say my TikTok videos and didn't follow, please try follow. I promise I have some juicy videos coming soon for you guys. Okay, so see you all, guys, on my next video. Peace.